Hey everyone! If you've turned on your Insignia TV and you get sound but no picture, don't panic. You're not alone, and there are several things you can try at home before calling a technician. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common causes and easy fixes. Let's get started. Step 1. Power Cycle TV. The very first thing you should do is perform a proper soft reset. Start by unplugging your Insignia TV from the power outlet. Once it's unplugged, press and hold the power button on the actual TV for about 30 seconds. After holding the button, wait a full minute before plugging the TV back in. This drains leftover electricity from the internal components and resets the power board. Step 2. Check cables and the input source. If your TV still has no picture, the next step is to inspect all cables connected to it, especially the HDMI cable. A loose or faulty HDMI cable can cause your TV to output audio without video. Unplug each cable and firmly plug it back in to ensure a solid connection. Try switching to another HDMI port and, if possible, test with a completely different HDMI cable to rule out a defective one. Also verify that your input source is correct by pressing the Input or Source button on your remote. Step 3. Check for backlight failure. If the cables are fine and you still see nothing, it's time to check whether your screen is actually displaying an image but the backlight has failed. Turn on your TV in a dark room, grab a flashlight, and shine it at the screen from an angle. Look closely to see if you can spot faint shapes, menus, or shadows. If you can see a dim image, that means your backlight is dead. Backlight failure is extremely common with Insignia TVs and usually requires replacing the LED strips or inverter board. Step 4. Factory Reset TV. If the flashlight test doesn't reveal anything and the cables are fine, try resetting your Insignia TV to factory settings. On many models, you can access the reset option using your remote by going to Settings, then to System and Reset. A factory reset clears corrupted settings and software glitches that may be preventing the picture from displaying. Step 5. Internal hardware problems. If none of these steps fix the problem, then the issue is likely internal. The most common hardware failures include a dead backlight, a faulty T-Con board, or a damaged main board. Many of these repairs are possible if you're comfortable opening the TV and working with internal components. But if you're not experienced with electronics, it's better to let a professional handle it. If your TV is still under warranty, always contact Insignia or the retailer first because opening the TV will void your coverage.